Hi, first grade. Let's do some math. We are finally starting something brand new, and we are going to be talking about measuring for this lesson. So pull out Chapter 8, Lesson 1, and it should be one of the first things pulled out of your folder. And we're going to do some measuring, and we're talking about longer and shorter. And if you remember, we talked about ER. That's a comparing word. ER means we're comparing two things. But this time we're going to be comparing three things. So I have three things. I have a pencil, I have a rubber band, and I have a yummy Easter jelly bean. And so you can do this on your paper, but you need to pick one thing that fits in box A, one thing that fits in box B, and one thing that fits in box C. And you're going to decide which one is longer and which one is shorter. So obviously my pencil is longer than my rubber band. My rubber band is longer than my jelly bean. My jelly bean is shorter than my pencil. So we're thinking about longer and shorter. So find those three things and set them in the box. Moving on. So here's what's going to happen. Oh no! We're going to have to try again. Log back into the book. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to do the guided lesson with you, and then you are going to do the homework on your own. Sound like a good plan? Great. So that's going to be our plan. I have to get logged back into the book here. Okay, so our plan, you are going to do the homework and we are going to do the guided lesson plan together. If you get stuck, just pause the video and restart it if I go too fast, all right? Okay, if I can find the right page, come on. We're also going to be talking about clocks in this chapter too. Okay, here we go, finally. It says at the top, you can compare the length of objects. The paintbrush is longer than the pencil. The pencil is longer than the tube of paint. Helpful hint, the lengths of objects can be shorter than or longer than each other. It says, is the tube of paint longer or shorter than the paintbrush? Okay, so here's the tube of paint. Is it longer or shorter than the paintbrush? You're right, that tube of paint is shorter than the paintbrush, so we'll circle shorter. Be patient with me, it's hard to use the mouse to write on here. Okay, it says the pair of glasses is shorter than the marker. The marker is shorter than the picture. Okay, so here's the picture, the glasses, and the marker. Is the picture longer than or shorter than the pair of glasses? So is this picture longer or shorter than the glasses? You're right, the picture is longer than the glasses. Good thinking. Number 2, the crayon is longer than the paperclip. The scissors are longer than the crayon. Let's read the question. Is the paperclip longer than or shorter than the scissors? Okay, is the paperclip, is it longer or shorter than the scissors? You're right, it is shorter than the scissors. Number 3, remember if I go too fast, just pause the video and you work. The eraser is shorter than the glue stick. The glue stick is shorter than the pencil. Is the pencil longer or shorter than the eraser? Is the pencil longer or shorter? You're right, that pencil is longer. Okay, go to the next lesson, or the next page. Number 4, the chalk is shorter than the pen. The paperclip is shorter than the chalk. Okay, this is confusing me already, so let's draw it out. So we have the chalk, and I'm going to put C for chalk, is shorter than the pen. So I'm going to make the pen, the pen. And we have the paperclip is shorter than the chalk. Okay, well, I'm going to put P, this is tricky, C for paperclip. Is the pen longer than or shorter than the paperclip? Well, what do you see? It looks like that pen is longer than the paperclip. You also might know that a paperclip is smaller, or excuse me, you also might know that a pen is bigger than paperclip. Number 5, the table is longer than the book. The book is longer than the eraser. Is the eraser longer than or shorter than the table? Well, let's see. Think about what you know about erasers. Is it going to be bigger than a table? No. So that eraser is shorter than the table. All right, write about it. Now keep in mind, I won't be able to help you write this because my marker doesn't work very well on this computer, but let's try it. It says a marker is longer than a crayon, okay? A crayon is longer than a paperclip. Is the paperclip longer than or shorter than the marker? You could draw out a picture like we did before, or think, is a paperclip bigger or smaller than a marker? You're right, a paperclip is shorter than a marker. So you're gonna write the word shorter. I'm gonna circle it, the word shorter, but you need to write it on the line there. And it's right there for you to spell. Okay, good work, first grade. So we've done the guided together. You need to do the homework by yourself. As you can see, it's the exact same as what we just did. And I'm gonna use my jelly bean as my reward for doing a great job on math. You have done a great job too. Thanks for working hard, first grade.